I'm John Tabone of Bar Pazzo restaurant located in downtown Scranton. First off, I'd like to thank 409 on Adams and everyone who attended our Rally for Restaurants events. In May, we will be celebrating 5 years of being located in beautiful downtown Scranton. Since our opening in May of 2016, we've strived to bring something unique to the area. Besides serving authentic rustic Italian food and fine Italian wines, we've done our best to create a home not only for our guests, but for artists and musicians as well. We've had countless special events, such as Theme Third Thursdays. We've also brought in special guest chefs and winery owners from Italy, and we've proudly been a home to talented First Friday Scranton artists since day one. 5 years ago, you welcomed us with open arms, and we want to continue to be there for you as much as you've been there for us. Money such as this will ensure that we can continue to not only take care of our employees and keep our lights on, but it will ensure the longevity of our dreams and goals, and that is to continue to be one of downtown Scranton's finest eateries.
Christian Pelosi with Eden and Vegan Cafe, here to tell you why I feel we should win the Rally for Restaurants award. We would put it to great use. There's some equipment we would love to replace, but we haven't been able to because during COVID, we want to keep things close to the vest. But with this money, we'd be able to replace a double door commercial refrigerator, a sandwich table, some things that would really, really help us. During COVID, we had to replace a water heater that cost us quite a bit of money. We'd love to get that back. And, we've been in downtown Scranton since 2008 on the wonderful 300 block of Adams Avenue. We've seen it grow up around us with other businesses, and we love being part of the eclectic scene downtown. Doing our vegan thing, we bring people into the downtown that otherwise may not have come there, and we love to do that. We love being part of the community. We love serving the community, and we'd love to continue to do so. This would really help us, and we would just love your vote.
We would like to get more advertising for our place, because we have some customers and a lot of people that don't really know that we exist. We have some customers that they live just a couple blocks from here and they don't really know that we exist. And I say, yeah, we are here almost 2 years. So we don't have even a sign, because we are located also between Main Avenue and Providence Road. And there is no signs that they say that we are here. We also will like to fix some of the in front of the restaurant, because we have some cracks. And I want to show you something inside the building also. We have here a little damage that we have the other day from the water. Also we have something problem with the bills. The gas company just came and gave me in front of some customers the paper that if I don't pay for next Monday, they are going to shut off the gas. We don't want to say everything is so bad, but maybe we need some help. We already applied with the government help, but we never get a help. We really appreciate it. Good luck to everybody who participate.
Hi everybody, this is Paul Blackledge and Joshua Mass from POSH of the Scranton Club.
We're not sure if all of you really know what POSH means. Paul plus Josh equals POSH. You also used to ask for a POSH accommodation when you were traveling by steamship.
Wow. We would like to take this opportunity to thank Lackawanna College and the Rally for Restaurants for letting us be a part of their season and for letting us do 4 of the dinners and the bar service. This money would help us tremendously.
We would use this money to help maintain one of these wonderful historic buildings in downtown Scranton. As many of you know, we need a new roof. We've had lots of water issues this year, but also continue to keep our employees paid on time and keep all of our employees employed, along with continuing to keep our food stocked and make sure that we can give the best service to all of our customers.
The 16th Ward has been a dream of ours for years, and it was years in the making. Developed into something that we are truly proud of, a spot for a community to come, eat some food, gather with friends, have a good drink, and just relax a little bit. We pride ourselves on that. If we were to receive this grant from the Rally for Restaurant finale, it not only would help us meet payroll demands for another month and help us keep supporting local vendors that we get ingredients from, so on and so forth, it helps us just keep doing what we love to do. Over the course of the 2+ years that we've been open, we've employed 7 different Lackawanna College students at this point. We've brought in students to do externships, and I really feel like it's a great environment for them to grow and learn and create that family environment. We really have that going on here, and it's something we're truly proud of.